You never know when bad weather or an outage could strike, and it's important to be prepared for when you least expect it. When you are building your own emergency preparedness kit, these are a few of the items that we recommend you have in yours. An emergency flashlight, gloves, a high-vis hat, an emergency rain poncho, a compact survival blanket, a whistle, a miniature first aid kit, a compact multi-tool, an instant ice pack, and hand, foot, and body warmers. In addition, we recommend having a spare phone battery pack, spare emergency batteries, spare cash, non-perishable food items, an emergency medication or prescription list, and water.